Listen, if you're planning to use an FHA loan, do not fill out a single form until you understand the steps. The FHA process is simple, but only when you understand the roadmap. Let's walk through this step by step, because once you see how it works, the whole journey gets a lot easier. An FHA loan is a government-backed mortgage built to help first-time buyers with flexible credit, low down payments, and easier requirements. But approval isn't automatic. There's a clear process you must follow. And knowing that process ahead of time saves you stress, delays, and surprises. FHA loans are powerful for first-time homebuyers, but only if you give lenders the right documents at the right time. When you understand the path, everything becomes smoother, faster, and a lot less overwhelming. So let's break down each step. Step 1. Pre-approval. This is your green light. Your mortgage professional reviews your income, credit, debts, and employment history, then confirms you meet FHA guidelines. This step tells you how much you qualify for, what price range to shop in, and that you're officially a serious buyer. Once you're pre-approved, it's time for the fun part. Now you start looking for a home that meets FHA standards: safe, livable, structurally sound. Once you find the right house, you submit your offer with your pre-approval attached. Sellers take FHA buyers seriously because they're already fully vetted. And this is where the FHA process gets more detailed. When your offer is accepted, the lender orders an FHA appraisal. This isn't just about value. The appraiser checks whether the home meets FHA's minimum property standards. At the same time, underwriting begins. This is where the lender reviews your documents, your income, your debts, the appraisal, your overall financial stability. It's the deep dive that determines whether the loan is ready for approval. Once everything checks out, you reach the finish line. And when underwriting approves everything, you hear the magic words, clear to close. This means you're ready to sign, pay your closing costs and down payment, and officially become a homeowner. So that's the FHA process, step by step, simple, and built to help first-time buyers succeed. If you want help getting pre-approved or navigating the FHA steps, just reach out. We will walk you through it step by step. Before you scroll, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another first-time homebuyer breakdown. And when you're ready for real answers based on your numbers, call 561-8981-008. Let's get you FHA ready the right way.